Hi guys, here's another how-to video. We're going to learn how to graph a line on our calculator. Alright, here's the thing about graphing a line. First of all, as far as I know, it has to be in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form means that y has to be by itself. So I've got to get rid of everything over there with the y before I can graph it on a calculator. So what I'm going to have to do is first of all, I'm going to have to get rid of this 6x. I do that by adding 6x to each side or moving that 6x over to the opposite side. And when it cuts on the opposite side, it has the opposite sign. Okay? But now, remember, I'm not done yet because I need y by itself. I got to get rid of that 2 in front of it. A coefficient in front of a variable means multiplication, so you undo multiplication with division. And here's the tricky part. Since I'm dividing this by 2, I have to divide every single term by 2. So once I've done that, my 2's cancel out. I'm left with y equals 3x. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3x minus 1. So that's my equation in slope-intercept form. And now once it's in slope-intercept form, I can put it on my calculator. So like anything else, to graph on a calculator, first of all, turn your calculator on. If you're going to graph, you're going to go to y equals. Make sure you clear everything out. And we're just going to put our equation in there, 3x minus 1. So 3x next to the green alpha button, minus 1, and then I hit graph. Alright, there is the graph of what my line looks like. So you can graph any line you want to and compare it to like answer choices to see which picture matches. Also, another thing about this, if you need to know some ordered pairs that are on this line, you can hit second and then table, and it'll give you all the ordered pairs for this line. And actually, let's see if there's something in the y-intercept. The ordered pair for a y-intercept always has an x-coordinate of 0. So you can always find the y-intercept by going down to where your x-coordinate is 0 and looking to see what your y-coordinate is when you put it in, which means it's -1. So that's how to graph a line on our calculator.